Right in the face. Sorry, bro.
Boom, boom. This is gonna feel real good, alright? Most dope. Everybody please put a thumb in the air. Hey. 1, 2, 3, boom. Some crazy ass kids gonna knock up on your door, so.
You recording?
Yep.
Good.
At least I hope so.
Hey, watch out, Ty. Trolley door.
Yep, let's go. Come on.
We're good. We're good. Make sure your gun's off safety, dummy.
Green pole is now up. Green pole is now up.
Far right.
Far right. I see 1, 2.
Moving up.
Watch your right. Moving up. On your backside.
Whoa, shit.
Whoa, hey bud, I'm right here.
I know, but there's a guy. I
Okay.
gotta move. This ain't gonna work.
How close you want to get, bud?
How you doing?
Hey, butt cheek to butt cheek.
I'm pinned down over here. I can't even keep the corner.
Really?
No, yeah.
Okay, well, let me try to move.
Careful. Diagonal. Right that way. Yep, he's still there.
Let me get this guy out.
Our bullets aren't even hitting him. Right there? Yeah. That's the one I was dinging, and then this guy diagonal from me's pinging.
Hey, you
me.
holding it down, sniper? Can I move?
Where the hell did I just get hit from?
Straight diagonal.
Got him.
Guy's still far right.
Oh, right in front of you, Ty. Hit. Let me know when you get him so I can move up with you.
Still there.
You got him in the head.
I know I did.
Reloading, go ahead, go.
He's not calling his hits.
Yeah. Is he not gonna call any of those? So you got that corner?
You're good.
I'm gonna move up with him.
Go ahead. Oh, hey, 2 buildings in front of you.
You gonna call that? Okay. Ty, watch out. We got a sniper over here.
Window assignment, don't back up too close.
Oh, shit. Sorry, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to shoot you.
He was the only one. Good shit, bro.
Thanks, man. You scared the fuck out of me, I ain't gonna lie.
I thought I was the only one. I was like, oh my god, he's reloading.
Blue building.
You scared the shit out of me. Yep, he's coming on your right, Jess.
Ty, you still behind me?
I'm kind of pinned on the left. He's moving inside Osama, be careful. Good call, good call.
Hit! Hit! Good shot. Ty pushing you? Watch 40, watch 40.
Coming to the right.
Yeah, that's a flag we need.
Behind the tires. There's somebody behind those tires. Behind that.
Yes, sir. Got you.
Wait!
They're behind you.
Someone needs to get that flag, please. Hey, right there in front of you. Hey, watch out in front of you.
Hey, they shoot. Watch that.
How you ever call that?
There's like 4
Thank you.
over here to the right.
26 are behind you.
The 2 white buildings in the back. There's 2 at each. How we good over here? Just trying to move to 26. I know. Someone needs to get that flag.
I know. Stay under cover, Ty. There's a guy in Kill House watching me.
Yeah, we're not pinging these guys. They're too far.
Yeah.
They're peeking their heads. That's it.
Yeah, I know.
Let's move to the left, closer to the flag. Moving to the town building. Ready? get our flag.
I know.
Where's that?
I don't know, but watch out. You got open space over there.
Our flag is right there, buddy. We gotta get the clear one.
Grab it, go, 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 go. Keep running, boy.
That's what I'm talking about. Good shit.
Team got a point! Team got a point! The game is tied! The game is tied! The game is tied! It's even 1-1! Friendly reminder, if you are in Osama, if you are in trailer, you are not allowed to shoot over Osama. If you are in trailer, you are not allowed to shoot over Osama.
You have to put your head through it.
Ty, you good? I'm getting pinned down on this side.
Thanks, Boo-Boo. You were going so well. I'll get it one day. Eventually. Eventually.
Hey.
Oh, he's in the middle this time. You're in that room and not be on cover, you are dead!
Is that a ricochet? That was a ricochet.
They're throwing shit. Hey, they're throwing nades left and right over here.
Reloading. Oh, hit.
Oh! Hey, good hit, good hit.
Did you get him before you got me?
No, I got him. He shot you.
All right.
He shot you a pistol point blank.
Yeah.
Sorry, buddy.
You're good.
I got you. I'm sorry.
1, 2, 3.